Good morning, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to generate WordPress blogs. So we are used to manually typing or copy pasting from LLMs. You don't have to do that anymore. We launched a platform where users can schedule their blogs and they get posted automatically in WordPress even without logging in to your WordPress account. Without wasting time, we are going to choose this platform. It's called ccochecks.org. Click the link. So generally this is the website. You can run even your website to see how your SEO ranks, but you're not going to do that in this video. We want to automate our blogs. So click the Pro Publisher. See how it works. Click that button. Scroll down and you will see what we offer here. So what we want is this platform here. We want to log in, receive a verification email, this one. Log in. So this is how your dashboard looks like. And as you can see, I've been doing this for some website here. I have like 5 websites which have been auto posting here. And I'll show you example of some blogs here. Let's use this. This is my affiliate blogs. The network is really slow, but bear with me, guys. As you can see, I did not write in a single thing in this blog post. You can see we have a featured image which was generated, table of content, internal, it's scraped through your website and finds the link to pages and posts and links them here. We also have inline images here. You can see we have facts, all these included. So we are going to generate another blog and I'll show you how it works in less than 10 minutes. So I want to connect another account, so you get how we do it. You come here to connect workspaces. So what we are basically doing is that we are connecting this via WordPress REST API, so we have to generate a password from our WordPress dashboard. Let's add another account so you get to know how it works. This is the account I'm going to connect with. you have been following up with me well. And this is our WordPress dashboard. I have not written any post in this site. These are the dummy websites here. These are the dummy blog posts. Sorry. I'm going to delete them so we can generate new ones. Move to trash. Yeah, apply. So we have no sites now. Let's connect. Our accounts wants the WordPress URL, username, application password. This is our URL here. Control C. Our username. You get your username as well. With the administrator. This is our username here. Ours is Spanish. That's it. And then scroll down as see application passwords. We generate a new application password here. Name it Pro Publisher or any other name you want. And generate one. Copy it. I guess you have seen it, but I'm going to revoke it later so you don't have some snoopy people abusing that password. Connect. So WordPress has been connected here and we are ready to generate a new blog post. Guys, you don't have to be manually typing these things. What we do here, what you have to do here is select a title or a keyword which you want to be generated. And our LLM, it will read through that, generate a blog post. Our website here is about furniture, about beds, things like beds, chairs, sofas, all that. So I can write here the best sofas to buy. Just that. And we save it. After saving, click here, execute, and we generate our blog. Let's wait. As we wait, I'm going to explain to you how this works. We can generate keywords, and our platform has the intelligence to see through what you do, and it suggests long tail keywords which are good for SEO, and it lists them here. But this is only good after you publish 2 or more posts, because before you publish that, it doesn't have the knowledge about your website. So you get me, guys. You can generate up to 100 keywords here and you save them. You can see in my past website I have 104 keywords here, and all of them have been executed because I've scheduled them. You can do that too. So let's see if our blog has been generated. Oh, let's see. So this is the new blog post that we have generated here. Let's see how it is. You can see the title, the best of us to buy in 2025. We have a featured image, table of contents. Let's see whether it's working. It's working. Internal linking. You see we have internal linking. Inline images there with better captions. Good table. Inline images there again. And it's a help blog. It's not a spammy blog, you can see. Nice. Conclusion and facts. One thing I did do wrong here is that in my dashboard I deleted all the previous blogs. When I deleted them, I did not set a redirection in them, so they were mistakenly linked here. But that has no problem. If you have active blogs, they are going to be linked here. Don't worry about that. If you want to edit, you can edit in your WordPress dashboard, and it can take you less than 5 minutes. Let me know your thoughts on this. And another thing I wanted to tell you is that you see these images being generated here. We have the images. Let's go to media. These images are well labeled. These images, every field here is being labeled, so you don't have to struggle to label your images again. Every field is labeled. For CEO, you know CEO loves this. CEO cannot read your images. Google doesn't know what your image is about. This description, caption, text are the one which tells the Google what your image is about, and it's important. Let me hear your thoughts on this again. This is the blog post we published. This is the blog post here. You can see our generator inserted categories and tags. If you want to edit, you can edit. Yeah, this is the blog post here. So before that loads, I want to explain to you one thing here. If you have many keywords here or blog titles here, you can schedule them and they will be generated according to their order. For example, in me here, I have these blog posts which are generated here. I've scheduled them 4 hours apart here. Here up, you can schedule them here. Set your time either if you want them to be posted every 22 hours, every 12 hours. You can do whatever you want. So these are posts. If you want to edit it, it will take you less than 5 minutes because it's like we have everything here. It's always good to check on them, even if it will take you 1 minute. It's always good because you know these LLMs, sometimes they hallucinate. And you don't have to worry about anything here. Once you have listed your blog titles, all you do is schedule, and you'll see more traffic in your Google Analytics or Google Search Console, because Google loves websites with rich content. And you can see We are not that expensive. That's how you get to publish many blogs without struggling, and you have come almost to the end of it. In our documentation here, we have a snippet of code here. This snippet is specifically for those people who use Rank Math and use SEO. Why? Because Rank Math has a field where one is supposed to insert a keyword, and in that field, these snippets help our platform locate where it will insert that keyword. You can paste this keyword in your code snippet in element in WordPress or in your functions file. For those using SEO, I've been saying SEO. I'm used to it, but don't worry, it's SEO or whatever, man, who cares? So those using yours, there is this snippet again. Paste it in your functions. That's it, my guys. That's it. That's how you save hours of work, manual labor, and money. We are extremely cheap here, and we are very generous with credits here. I know that this video may not be the best because I didn't edit it, because I wanted to give you raw content here. And in future, we'll edit it. But I hope it's good. All we are doing is to inform you.